Our client, a leading medical insurance provider, faced inefficiencies in customer support, long training times, high attrition rates, and high dependencies on experienced representatives and longer call duration with end customer, etc. were some of the key inefficiencies to address in business process. One of the underlying root causes is that the representative must interact with the swamp of legacy applications and systems, modern solutions, and third-party software that proliferated over time and store information in silos. Representatives needed to pull up at least 3 systems just to verify the end customer and validate the policy before addressing the actual query. Client collaborated with Soothsayer to build an internal AI chatbot for its customer representatives that act as wrapper over existing systems for faster information retrieval. Soothsayer Analytics came up with a 2-phase solution. We meticulously assessed the situation, delved into chat logs and call recordings, and collaborated with customer representatives, ID teams, and stakeholders. In the first phase, we defined intents, entities, and architecture, utilizing Azure Bot Framework with adaptive dialogue. The second phase focused on training the language understanding model, developing a dialogue manager, and enhancing user experience. To improve the user experience further, capabilities like response cards, understanding abbreviations, and spell check with autocorrect were added. Our AI chatbot was a game changer. With a 98% correct response rate, it reduced average call lengths and garnered positive feedback from newer representatives. It even acted as a learning tool, accelerating training for new reps. The impact was immense. Though we encountered challenges, the proof of concept validated our long-term vision of developing chatbots for end customers. It was a transformative journey.